Hey, tech fans! Welcome to Tech Pulse Daily, your high-octane hub for the latest innovations rocking the world. I'm your host, and wow, the past 24 hours have been a tech tsunami, from AI mega deals to chip chats and hardware heartbreaks. We're talking game changers across the US, Asia, and Europe that'll have you rethinking your next gadget upgrade. So let's crank up the energy and dive into the top 5 stories. Hit that like button if you're ready, subscribe for more, and drop in the comments. What's your dream tech toy? Alright, let's roll. First up, the US government's going all in on AI with a blockbuster deal for Google's Gemini. At just 47 cents per user for agencies, this is one of the biggest public sector AI rollouts ever, powering everything from data crunching to smart decision making. Why is this massive? It could turbocharge government ops worldwide. But hey, let's not forget the privacy paranoia. Will Big Brother get too smart? With the US paving the way, Europe and Asia might soon follow suit. Talk about AI in the Oval Office. Next, Nvidia's boss, Jensen Huang, is in deep talks with TSMC, tackling China's chip cravings amid a cooling tech rally. They're navigating production ramps and those pesky geopolitical minefields that could snag global supplies. Why does this matter? AI's hunger for chips is insatiable, so this could steady or scramble the semiconductor scene, hitting gadgets and enterprises from Asia's factories to US and European data centers. Jensen's out here playing 4D chess. Hope he wins. Moving on, ouch. Prusa's CEO just declared open hardware 3D printing dead, blaming China's cutthroat competition for killing innovation and quality. It's the end of an era for hobbyists and startups who loved those open source vibes. Why is this a bummer? It could stifle grassroots creativity from Europe's makerspaces to US garages and Asia's prototypes in healthcare and cars. But let's be real, if cheap printers mean more people printing cat toys, is it all bad? The forums are on fire. Meanwhile, big news from India. Tata Digital's got a new CEO, Sajith Sivanandan, ready to supercharge their e-commerce empire with AI and data smarts. He's all about unifying platforms for that seamless shopping spree. Why is this exciting? India's tech boom is red hot, and this could spark digital innovations across Asia, inspiring the US and Europe to amp up their game. Imagine AI recommending the perfect curry recipe while you shop. Sajith's got the vision. And finally, China's DeepSeek is flexing with v3.1, a beastly 685 billion parameter open source AI model that's nipping at GPT-5's heels, alongside ByteDance's Seed-OSS 36B. These bad boys crush coding and data tasks with top benchmarks. Why is this a game changer? Open sourcing this power levels the AI playing field, fueling global collabs and pushing Western giants to hustle. From Asian dominance to worldwide wins in healthcare and education, it's AI democracy at its finest. Whew, what a tech whirlwind. From government AI takeovers to open source showdowns, these stories prove innovation's borderless and boundless. Which one's got you buzzing? The Google deal or DeepSeek's AI flex? Spill in the comments, thumbs up if you're amped, and subscribe with bells on for tomorrow's scoop. Stay innovative, folks. See you soon.